Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Amplitude and track product UI events. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Amplitude website. Sign up for a new account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, locate the Create New Project button. Fill in the project details, including the project name and type. After creating the project, you'll be directed to the project's dashboard. In the dashboard, click on Settings in the left sidebar. Select API keys to find your project's unique credentials. Copy the API key for later use. Next, open your product's codebase in your preferred code editor. Choose the platform you are using, whether web or mobile. For web applications, you'll want to install the Amplitude JavaScript SDK. Use npm or include a script tag in your HTML to add the SDK. Once installed, initialize the SDK by adding your API key in the initialization code. For mobile applications, refer to the documentation for the respective SDK, such as iOS or Android. Follow the setup instructions provided in the documentation for your specific platform. After integrating the SDK, start tracking UI events. Identify the events you want to monitor, such as button clicks or page views. In your code, call the Amplitude tracking function whenever the event occurs. For instance, use the amplitude.log event function to log a button click. Make sure to include descriptive event names and relevant properties. Test the integration by interacting with your application. Check the Amplitude dashboard to ensure events are being logged correctly. You can view the event data in real time as users engage with your product. Continue refining your event tracking as needed to gather more insights. That's it. You've successfully installed Amplitude and are now tracking product UI events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech